guys, what's going on? It's Ashley here from ashleydigital.com and welcome to my MailJam review. Now, as you can see on the screen right here, I've got access to my own personal account of MailJam. So it's gonna be my intention in this video to run you through everything that it's about, get you understanding what the actual software can do for you, the features, the functionality. So yeah, just a full review basically. So you can be finishing this video completely informed as to whether you want to be picking up MailJam or not. But what is MailJam in a nutshell? Essentially, it is a autoresponder, okay? So a lot of people that will be watching this will know already what an autoresponder is. If you don't, it is essentially a piece of software, logging in, username and password, that you use to send emails to people. So in this online business, affiliate marketing, internet marketing, whatever it may be, the most important marketing channel to your customers, or indeed prospective customers, is email. Email is one of the oldest, but it's actually one of the most powerful and still is. A lot of people open their emails, a lot of people check their emails, and it's actually one of the cheapest ways to get products and offers in front of people's eyeballs, okay? So yeah, MailJam is an autoresponder. There's lots out there on the market and we will go through how this differs to them. But yes, you need one of these to be able to send emails out to people. So when you get into online marketing, maybe you're already in this game, you know, the number one goal is to build an email list so that you can be emailing people with new affiliate offers or your new products that you've created, and creating a relationship with them. But you need this to be able to actually facilitate that, okay? So we're gonna go through that in all complete detail, so stick with me throughout this video. Also, if at any point you do wanna pick up MailJam, just click on my link in the description below. Once you do click on that link, you will then go through to my bonus page that you can see here on the screen. Now, once you get onto my bonus page, just scroll down and you'll see some red buttons. There's loads at regular intervals throughout the page. Click on one of those and then you will go through to the sales page of MailJam itself. Scroll down again and you've got like a red orangey button there. Click on that one and then that will lock in your purchase of MailJam through me, okay? Now I go through that for two reasons. One, you need to do that to get hold of the bonuses that I'm bundling in free of charge with MailJam. And now with this promotion, my bonuses are very much gonna teach you how to use MailJam in the best way to actually build your business, okay? I'm gonna go into that in more detail later on. Also, you need to click on the red button here and then the orangey button here before the countdown timer on my bonus page hits 0, because when it does, I'll be removing those bonuses. You won't get access to them anymore. And I don't want that to happen to you because yeah, I put a lot of time and effort into creating these bonuses. You'll see how valuable and exclusive they are. So you need to get in the pot before the countdown timer hits 0, okay? So what is the schedule for this video? What I'm gonna do is I'll run through those bonuses right now. Then after that, we'll jump into the MailJam dashboard and software itself, run through those features and functionalities. And then afterwards, we'll go through the pricing of MailJam so you can see how much it's gonna cost you. Also the upsells and the one-time offers in case you wanna pick any of those up as well, okay? So if we go back to my bonus page, scroll down, got a bit of information here about MailJam. You can go through this in your own time, but we keep scrolling down, we get down to bonus number 1. So this is a custom video that I have filmed particularly for this promotion. It's about how to build your email list because, as I said at the beginning of this video, MailJam is gonna let you send emails, but in the first place, you need emails to send to, okay? So you need to know how to be building your list in the correct way, and this video that I filmed will show you exactly how to do that. Bonus number 2, how to design high converting email capture pages. So this is like kind of a sneak peek into what the video number 1 is gonna tell you a little bit about, but one of the ways that you're gonna get email addresses into your list is by getting high converting email capture pages and getting traffic to those pages, okay? So yeah, basically this bonus number 2 is gonna tell you how to do that. Sorry if you can hear someone drilling in the background. It's like perfect timing, isn't it? How to segment your list is bonus number 3. So this is super important and not enough people do this. So once you've actually built some kind of list with a certain amount of email addresses in, you need to start segmenting that list so that you, for example, can segment based on who's actually engaged with you, e.g. opening your emails and clicking through on your emails. there's lots of things to it, and this video will show you exactly how to do that. Bonus number 4, how to nurture your list. So this is all about stopping people from unsubscribing, okay? That's your number 1 goal, because you've put so much time and effort into actually getting those email addresses in the first place. Your goal with the way that you communicate with people and the frequency of emails that you send and lots of other aspects, it's all about nurturing and stopping people unsubscribing from you so that you keep your list as big as possible, okay? So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that, how I do it, so that you can replicate it yourself, okay? And then bonus number 5, I'm going to give you access to all the bonuses that the vendor has given me access to give to you, okay? So yeah, there'll be a ton in there. You'll have access, you know, long-time customers of mine or repeat customers of mine will know that you go through to a Google Doc and I'll have all of the vendor bonuses listed there that you can easily access, okay? Now, before we jump into the dashboard, to get access to your bonuses, you just got to jump into Warrior Plus, find your username in the top right-hand corner, drop that down, go down to purchase history, jump into there, find your MailJam purchase, and then you'll see two buttons that look like this. Obviously the green button you want to click because that will set you up with your account for MailJam, but also you want to click here on the blue button because that will take you through to my thank you page where I'll be hosting all of my bonuses that I just ran through with you previously, okay? So it's all automated, you don't need to send me a receipt or a proof of purchase or anything like that, okay? Cool, so they are my bonuses, guys. Let's now jump into the dashboard and we'll run through the actual tech of MailJam, okay? So we go through to here. So as I mentioned at the beginning of this video, MailJam is an autoresponder. This is a platform that you use to send emails to your prospective customers or indeed your current customers. When you first log in, this is the first page that you'll see. The biggest USP of MailJam, in fact, what we can do is we can go through the sales page because I know there's a part on here that's very interesting and really, there we go. So these are the other autoresponders on the market, or the biggest ones: Aweber, Constant Contact, iContact, GetResponse. Now, I've used and have experience of Aweber and GetResponse, particularly. I haven't used these 2 others, but you can see, first of all, autoresponders charge you based on how many emails, your list size, you have inside of their platform. So you've got 0 to 500 and moving up to 10,000. Now, I'm paying like these right now. I think, what am I on? I'm on this one, right? I'm paying this one each month right now for Aweber, and I'm paying 2 autoresponders. I probably shouldn't. I should consolidate my list into one autoresponder, and that's definitely a to-do list for my business. But I'm paying this, and you can see that regardless of how big your list is, you pay a one-time payment of $29. In fact, if you get in really early on this launch, you'll get it for even less than that. But you see, this is per month. This is a one-time payment. It's mad, okay? So yeah, you can see here, you don't need sending credits because you get unlimited campaigns, yeah, lists, subscribers, and you basically use this to send out campaigns to your list, segment your list, different things like this. So you can go into here, go into campaigns. Let me just clear that. So yeah, when you send out an email, you can either send a regular email or you can send it from plain text. So with a regular email, you can start putting images in with HTML code. If this sounds a bit too techy, don't worry about it. If it is, you just use the plain text version. But let's just choose that. We go in, you choose a list. If I had a list in here, but this is an account that I'm just brand new, I haven't added anything in there, but you choose a list. You can put lists based on like products that you've launched, on the source from which you've got those emails. So you can start understanding, because there'll be different types of customers that will come from different sources. You choose a list based on that, because different customers respond to different offers differently, right? And so I choose a list there, then I'd go save and next, and you can see we've got setup, template, schedule, and confirm. So you'd basically, this is the template. So I always choose like a plain template and then just build it out myself. So, hey there, how you doing? This is my offer, speak soon, Ashley, something like that. And then maybe a picture of me underneath, so humanize it a little bit. And then you schedule it. So in terms of, you say, look, do I want this to go out tomorrow at 7 a.m.? Do I want this to go out the next day at 10 p.m.? Or do I want this to go out immediately? Confirm, and it sends it for you, okay? You've got lists inside of here. So you can create a list. So we can go into there, give it a name. then you say from email address. So what I would normally advise you doing is when you pick up MailJam, go and buy a custom domain, okay? Don't use like a Gmail or a Yahoo, because number one, you won't get good inbox delivery. What I mean is that you'll be sending out emails through MailJam from a Gmail or Yahoo account, and you'd very likely be going into people's spam folders, which will mean that they won't see your emails, so you're just wasting your time. So go and buy like a custom domain from GoDaddy or Namecheap. Namecheap is really good, namecheap.com. Go there and buy something like, for example, I bought ashleydigital.com. So whatever you want to buy something like that, and then you get a free email address on top of that domain. So for example, mine is ashley@ashleydigital.com. And then I use that to send out all my emails because it looks more professional when people receive it. And two, you get better inbox deliverability, okay? And that's where you put this email, once you set it up, you put it into this section, okay? Then you'd give default email subject. I probably wouldn't give a default email subject for a list because you're gonna be sending out different emails all the time, right? Default from name, so yeah, it's gonna be like Ashley, Ashley Digital or something like that, whatever yours is. You give all the information here. So this is like double opt-in. You can go into this in more detail. I would, double opt-in, unsubscribe notifications to subscribers. That's probably a good one to keep on because you'll be like, oh, you've unsubscribed. Maybe you can put something in there like, if you don't unsubscribe, I'll give you like a free ebook or something to try and keep them on board. There's lots of really cool things that you can do here. Then you can go to templates here as well. So you can create a template. So we go into here. This will be exactly the sort of process that you'd go through before you send an email with MailJam, okay? So I would probably choose a 1 column. That's fine for me. Let's start the design. And then we go through, and then let's click on there. Okay, this is going through to the builder, okay? So this is like before you actually edit it, this is what your email will look like. Can we go to the Pro Builder? Let's see what that looks like. Wait for it to load. So, okay, so the Pro Builder is just loaded. This is the one that I'd recommend because this is very cool, okay? So you can, yeah, it's pretty self-explanatory. It's drag and drop, delete, add in different elements. So we can be like, you know, there's lots of different things that we can do here. Line height, okay, cool. Very cool, I like this a lot. This is a quality piece of software. Layouts there. Okay, so let's put like hi there, something like that. And then we can just edit the text, put in whatever we want, blah, blah, blah. We can put in pictures. If we want different widgets, we can drag in different widgets. Let's put it there. There we go. And then we can upload an image from the computer. We can put in video, that's very cool. Put in a footer. So we can put like our image there that's on every email. What we'd do is we'd drag the image into here. I'll put an image of myself, and then I put like a link to my Facebook account, my Twitter account, something like that. We can put buttons in, which is very important. Like especially if we've got like an offer that we're sending someone, so we'd like, you know, click here on this. So look, click. Let's do that. Click here to claim now, something like that. I don't know. Let's see how that works. Okay, so we need to do it here. There we go. Now we're cooking on gas. So there we go. So we've got click here. So you can see the sort of things you can do, and then you can save and close it, and then we can send it once we set up our sending servers. So let's save and close that. So we've got the untitled template. That is kind of the process you go through before you send out an email. Then we go to sending here. So we've got like email verification servers, blacklisting certain email addresses, tracking domains, sending servers. So essentially a sending server is what you do here. Like I mentioned before, is you go out and buy your custom domain. That domain will have a hosting associated to it, and obviously the email address. You would put that hosting details of that provider, Namecheap or GoDaddy, into here so that you can have a sending server to send through. Okay, it's a very simple process. I know that most of you know how to do this already, but that's what the software looks like. It is an autoresponder, and the fact that you're getting this for a one-time cost, it beats all the other ones out of the water. Okay. Right, so guys, let's now jump into the pricing, the OTOs, the upgrades, in case you want to pick any of those up. Okay. Okay guys, so this is what the pricing looks like. So you can see here the front end is going to be $17 up to $27. So the quicker that you get in from this launch, I imagine this is going to be like a dime sale. So as the hours go on or more sales are made, the price slowly goes up. Okay, so this will be going live today on the 7th of September at like 11 a.m., 10 a.m. EST, something like that. The sooner you get in at that time, the cheaper that you'll get it for, because it will be going up to the $27 mark at the end of the launch. Okay, so that's the front end. Then you've got OTO number 1, which is MailJam Pro, again starting at $27, going up to $37. You've got OTO number 2 here, which is Xlinks, $37 going up to $47. You'll find more information about that on the upgrade page as you go through the funnel. Then you've got MailJam Reseller, $65 going up to $67. Not a big difference there, is there really? But reseller, I'm sure a lot of you know what a reseller is, but basically that is where you go out and promote MailJam, and the creators or the vendors of MailJam will bump you as an affiliate up to 100% commissions across this entire funnel. So you go and make a sale and someone buys the whole funnel through your link. Instead of 50% commissions that you have to give to the vendor and you keep 50%, you keep everything to yourself once you pay this. So, you can make $300 odd, I think, from this funnel if one customer buys everything. You can see $65. You can make back that money very quickly. Fresh mails at $67. There's no increasing of price there. And then we've got Chatbox at $97 on the OTO number 5. Again, you'll find out more information about these on the upgrade page as you go through the funnels. But guys, that is my MailJam review. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it gave you what you were looking for when you came to my video in the first place. If it did, hit that like button below the video, because it would really help me out with the YouTube algorithm. Also hit the subscribe button and the bell notification icon next to it so that you're notified of any new content that I do upload to YouTube. But until my next video, keep safe, keep well, and I'll see you very soon. Cheers.